Welcome to this tutorial on how to send money from Spain to India step by step. Sending money internationally can be a complex process, but with the right guidance it can be made easy. Firstly, you need to determine the purpose of your transfer, whether it is for personal or business reasons. This will help you choose the best transfer option. You have several options to send money from Spain to India, including banks, money transfer services, and online platforms. To begin, gather the necessary information and documents. You will need the recipient's full name, address, and bank account details, including the account number and IFSC code. You will also need your own identification documents, such as a passport or residence permit. Next, compare the fees and exchange rates of different transfer services. Some popular options include banks, Western Union, and online platforms like TransferWise and PayPal. Consider the transfer speed, security, and customer support when making your decision. Once you have chosen a transfer service, create an account and verify your identity. This may involve uploading your identification documents and providing proof of address. After verification, enter the recipient's details and the amount you want to transfer. Review the transfer details, including the exchange rate, fees, and estimated delivery time. Then, pay for the transfer using a debit or credit card, or bank transfer. You will receive a confirmation email with the transfer details and tracking number. Finally, track the status of your transfer and inform the recipient of the expected delivery time. The transfer time can range from a few hours to several days, depending on the service and payment method used. In conclusion, sending money from Spain to India is a straightforward process when you follow these steps. Always compare fees and exchange rates, and choose a reputable transfer service to ensure a secure and efficient transfer.